and welcome to Curry TV. It's Cinco de Mayo, so let's make a fiesta. Fiesta with beef. So I have beef sirloins, which I thinly cut into very small, not see-through pieces, but very thinly sliced steaks ready. I got about 3 pounds. So let me show you all the rest of the ingredients that we'll be using. This needs to be marinated for at least good 2 hours. If you don't have that much time, 30 minutes would be fine also, but I prefer to marinate it at least for 2 hours because then all those flavors get to absorb into that meat. And then when we are grilling it, yes, that's right, we are going to be grilling all of this in our inside kitchen. I mean, it's raining outside, I can't go out, so this would be a perfect recipe to do during the summer as well. But for Cinco de Mayo, I thought this would be the perfect recipe to share among you guys on Curry TV. So let me show you all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Okay, I got a good size ginger, about 8 to 10 garlic cloves, about 7 to 8 Thai chilies. Now if you have jalapenos, use that. That's fine. I just couldn't get a good fresh jalapenos. And about 3/4 cup. If you like that nice fresh taste of cilantro, then add up to 3/4 cup of cilantro. This finely minced. And then we need some vinegar, brown sugar just to balance all of this flavor together, and some dark soy sauce. So this marination is very simple. All we need to do is dump all the ingredients into our blender. In the authentic Mexican food, they marinate everything in beer. I'm going to be serving this. My kids doesn't prefer that beer taste. That marinade, everything looks good, but they don't prefer that. So I thought we'll improvise a little bit. And about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, perfect. Let's blend all this together and I'll show you how that looks like. All right, it's all done. So all we have to do now is take a nice deep pan. I have a Ziploc bag ready. Now the purpose of the Ziploc bag is in case if you're running short on time, right? You can add all of these ingredients together in the Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer. It will help absorb all those flavors together faster. So even if you only have 30 minutes, put everything into the Ziploc bag. It makes your life a lot easier. Seal it up, throw it into or keep it in your freezer for 30 minutes. So if you have time, right? And you're doing it tomorrow, then keep it in the fridge. So either way, this will help those process make easier. So this is 3 pounds of steak. It's very thinly sliced and you need a little bit of fat running through there. That adds more flavor to our carne asadas. I transferred all of our beef into the Ziploc bag. Let's pour in our marinade. Okay, I have all my ingredients in the Ziploc bag. We're going to close it and now we're going to do the shaky dance. Okay, with that shaky dance, what we're going to do is make sure this marinade gets all in between that meat and absorb those flavor. Perfect. So half the work is done. All we got to do now is let this rest in our freezer for 30 minutes, or like how I'm doing, I'm going to keep this in the fridge for 2 hours. And then when we are ready, we'll take it out and I'll show you the next step. Okay, it's been few hours and our meat is well coated in that beautiful marinade. Let's get it on our hot griddle. Okay, so I'm using my small griddle inside the house, so it'd be fun to grill this in the outside barbecue grill, right? Since the weather does not allow us, we're going to do with what we got. Make sure you got a good grip on your marinade and then start. Oh, it's nice and hot. See that? Nice sizzle. Okay, let's lay the second piece. So this will take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So wait for that grill marks to get on that steaks and then we'll flip them over. So it's been about 2 minutes on this guy and roughly 1 minute 30 seconds, and this one is going to take a little bit longer. So I'm going to start flipping this and make sure that we get a good grill marks. See that? See that? That's the beauty. It smells amazing in here. I'm not joking. You gotta give this a try in order to feel this in your household, okay? You'll love it. You will love it. I guarantee it. Okay, so these guys are really done. So if you like medium rare, you should wait about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes on each sides, and it'll be complete cooking time will be 3 minutes for you guys. And if you're like me, I like my meat well done. So this will take anywhere from 3 minutes to 4 minutes. So on each side. So this one is ready to come off the grill. See, it's beautiful, ready. And then I'll show you how we're going to platter this. Okay, once we get it off the griddle, it's very, very important that you do not move it, because all that juice is still nice and hot and the meat is just bubbling away. So if you cut right away, it's not going to seal all those flavor. You will feel rubbery, chewy, that kind of stuff. So wait a couple of minutes. The ideal time, what they recommend, the professionals, what they recommend is whatever your cooking time is, that's the same time for your resting time too. So if you do 3 minutes of cooking time, you do 3 minutes of resting time, okay, for that meat to come to a room temperature where it's nice, juicy, soft texture. You see it? That, my friend, is an awesome carne asadas. I am in so much love with this recipe. I'm not claiming this is the authentic version of Mexican style, but this is the Curry's TV style. If you like many of our videos, I'm sure you will love this and you will thank me forever. So give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you. I would love to hear your comments, okay? And for digging time, right? Woo, this one right here, right? So juicy. It's really hot, still hot, but that freshness from the cilantro, the lime vinegar from that sourness, it's all adding. I can still feel that ginger running somewhere back there, but perfect. To watch this and other videos, check out my link. And if you like to share this with your friends who are also trying to do something different, this is the recipe to share. They will love you. You be the hero. All right. So till then, next time. Have you subscribed? Thank you. If not, please don't wait too long. It's right there in this corner, right here, right here. Just hit that button. All right. And till then, next time. Bye-bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. We are all in this together, especially during this Cinco De Mayo time. Okay, so try it. Make yourself a good platter. Enjoy this. You can have this with burrito. You could have this with a taco. The choice is yours. So try it. Let me know, okay? I'll be waiting here for your comments. Okay? Bye-bye.